So I decided to make a Boomless sprayer for my ATV. I already had the 15-gallon spray tank with a wand on it, but I decided I need to be able to spray wide swaths for larger areas. I picked up a $10 handlebar switch off eBay, so it would operate just with an on and off. The first step was cutting this 3-inch flat bar to the length of the depth of the tank. I think it was around, I don't know, 14 inches or so. I'm going to cut this 1.5-inch tubing to the length of the tank. And here you can see me welding it together. The 1.5-inch tube would kind of cradle the tank. If you haven't noticed the linear rails on the side of my welding table, I also converted it into a CNC machine. Currently it only has routing capabilities, but there's a video up of that if you're interested. So I'm just tacking the 3-inch flat bar to the 1.5-inch square tubing, and here I'm welding it together. I also welded the bottom side, and since this was the side that would be sitting on the rack of the ATV, I ground those smooth. I'm welding on short pieces of angle iron to help retain the tank, and it also makes a good handle for lifting the unit off of the ATV. So this is a piece of 1.5 inch cut at 45s at both sides, and a piece of flat bar on top of it with holes drilled through it to accept the screws on the bottom of the 12-volt solenoid, and that would be how I would mount the spray tip to the rig. Just welding it to the frame. Here's a picture of the 12-volt solenoid. It was $12 on eBay, and I soldered and shrink wrapped the wiring together. That's a picture of the wiring harness together. So I used a 4-prong trailer plug and two wires for the pump and 2 wires for the solenoid, and that's how I can remove the pump from, or the unit from, the bike. I had the directional valve already, but I had to buy a couple other fittings. Here I'm trying it out, and It's just flipping the switch on the handlebars. The spray tip has both a 90-degree and 180-degree disc that you can change out for different spray patterns. And the directional valve allows me to get pressure back to the wand. Thanks for watching.